These are the XMcosy lights. These things are great. They are shatterproof and they are very bright. Just look at the design of these. They kind of look like a little bit of a diamond, and you can see how strong they're going to be. And it's a very long cord. It also comes with easy to use hooks to hang them up and some zip ties and some screws. And you can power it on with this button on this part right here, and then you can connect the lights to the app very simply. It's very easy to follow the instructions, and through the app you can actually change the colors. You can set it for music, so it'll use your microphone and it'll actually go to the beat of the sound. You can customize it any way you want. You can set your own design if you want to do your own Christmas theme and how fast you want them to blink or not blink at all, or change colors between which colors you want. There's a lot of ways you can customize this with scenes. You can even set it for gaming. You can set a countdown to it so that it turns off automatically. You can even set each light individually for what color you want it to be. And you can connect it to your smart home assistant, and you can say like, Alexa, turn off the lights, and it will do it that way. And you can connect these lights to other ones so you can extend them out, making them longer and longer for bigger spaces. So they look great, they work great, they're very bright, easy to control. Highly recommend them, and thanks for watching.